Prestige package heads-up display Bose stereo all-wheel drive 3.0 supercharged engine alloy wheels backup camera collision avoidance dual climate control GPS navigation / radio / Sirius / blue heated seats memory seats power sliding sunroof push to start button rear heating / AC climate control cool seats intelligent cruise control leather seats navigation power seats telescoping steering wheel blind spot monitoring dynamic stability control keyless remote entry reverse backup sensors. Today's luxury vehicle is not just about opulence. It's about a perfect balance of performance, comfort and attention to detail. This 2016 Audi A7 3.0 Prestige is the perfect example of the modern luxury. Take home this Audi and enjoy the safety and added performance of AWD. The A7 3.0 Prestige has been lightly driven and there is little to no wear and tear on this vehicle. The care taken on this pre-owned vehicle is reflective of the 101k miles put on this Audi A7. Added comfort with contemporary style is the leather interior to heighten the quality and craftsmanship for the Audi A7 3.0 Prestige. The interior of this Audi A7 3.0 Prestige has been through meticulous inspection and could almost pass for a brand new vehicle. Engineered with the latest in technology and features, this vehicle is an automobile lover's dream. Give our sales team a call at 828-464-0600 or check us out on the web at www.tradingpostcars.com for more pictures and a live video of this car. Family owned and operated for over 45 years with an A+ rating with the BBB. We would love for you to come be a part of our family.